Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Quite a few people I've noticed recently are in some kind of a blah condition where it's as if the energy field around them is sort of gray and dull, and they're stuck in this disconnected kind of loneliness. They don't have their usual spunk or spark or vitality. So in case that's up for you, we're going to do a really short TAT process, and I hope this helps you out. So the first thing we do is the heart pose. That's palm over your heart chakra. That means midline near your heart, and we'll make this big intention together. This healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with, for all beings involved, all beings who would like to benefit, and it'll happen in a way that's safe and easy. And we'll do the TAT pose. That's thumb and ring finger light touch above the upper inner corner of each eye. Your middle finger goes midline, just a little bit above your eyebrows, and your other hand's at the base of your skull. So your thumb is just above your hairline back there. Your hand's just flat and it's centered, okay? So that's the TAT pose. So what we're going to do is put in the pot, which simply means what we're working on together right now, any kind of blah, dull, disconnected, I just don't seem to have the heart for anything. Feelings, experiences, we're putting all that in the pot. And in case you have any thoughts with it, like, oh, this is never going to end, I can't see my way through to the other side of it, and my whole body feels kind of like meh. So whatever it is for you, that's what goes in the pot, okay? And so when I say the word this, it means all that stuff that's in the pot for you. Okay, so we'll do the pose. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. All that happened, it's over, and I no longer resonate, identify, or connect with this. All the places in my mind, body, and life where this has been stored are healing now. God, or whatever name you like to use, thank you for healing all the places in my mind, body, and life where this has been stored. All the origins of this are healing now. God, or whatever name you use, thank you for healing all the origins of this. And then just decide or make a vision, picture of how you want to be and feel. And do the pose and say that to yourself 3 times, or just picture it over and over and over. Like, see yourself feeling bright, energetic, connected, and in a partying kind of enjoying life mood, whatever that is for you. Or you can make a statement like, I'm now so connected and lively. I'm now so connected and lively. I'm now so connected and lively. Whatever you like. Okay, there you go. I hope that helps you feel much brighter, more connected, and happy. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.